Hey guys, it is the 23rd of December. And shall we try this one? Don't know if it's a brand, but yeah. But it works. One, two, three, four, five. Is it 5 or 6? It's either 5 or 6 pins. I lost count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 6 pins. All right, let's try it. I'm just curious now, because of that quite flat bitting, would it actually rake open? I think I've said it before, but if nothing else, then I will take a rake as an open and put it on the tree, especially here in the last few days, because this is the last day, except for, of course, tomorrow, but the one for tomorrow is quite easy. And will hopefully look good as a star for next year's tree. Okay, so we did rake it. So we know it's going to go on the tree. Now, I just want to hopefully be able to SPP it open. It is not the first time I've tried this lock, and to make this for the 23rd of December, this is the 4th lock I've tried, which is also why I will, especially why I will count a rake as an open, because I just don't have much left. Also, Nick Barker, or Nick's Picks, I have tried your Loto that you sent in last year multiple times, and I haven't been able to open it this year either, but the key doesn't work anymore. I don't know why. It worked fine, just as it should. Then I tried to pick it a bunch of times, and one time I just tried to rake it a little bit, just to see if I could rake it open, just because I was curious. And now the key doesn't work. But all the pins feel fine, and nothing feels stuck, and the key goes in and out as it should. And if I feel all the pins, they are all still springy. So I don't know what's wrong. The only thing I can think of is that one of the pins doesn't fit in length anymore. But I just think that just a quick little rake for a few seconds should not, that should not really shorten a pin that much. It is, of course, a master, so who knows? But still. Try a different one. Yes, there we go. We also SPP'd it. I'm not gonna try sipping and all that. The only reason I raked it was because of that flat bitting. I was a little bit interested in it if it worked, and also whether or not I could get it on the tree. But we did SPP it as well, so all good on that front. No, stand up, Vice. Don't fall down. We have a key, so we lock it. And we might have to rotate some of the locks because this is quite long. All right, let me move myself into position. And I'm just gonna move a lock here. I think if we take this one and then move these two, I think that would be perfect. So let's get it on the tree. All right, so we put it there because that's the longest spot on the tree. This lock was there, and this one there, and this one there. So we just moved those a notch, and then that one down there. 23 locks on the tree, only one more to go. And we will see that one tomorrow. Actually, compared to some of the other years, I know I have mentioned it before, also this year here in the last few videos, that the last 5 videos is typically the hardest one to make because that's always where I run out of locks that are relatively easy. But it actually haven't been that bad this year. The last couple years have been worse, so that's at least something. Also, I want to do a video here shortly after Christmas, maybe even already on the 25th, to show the locks that was tried but did not make it to the series. And also, while I remembered, I can see there have been a little bit of confusion. The locks that I'm picking for the Christmas series is not from my Naughty Bucket. It's a separate bucket for the Christmas series. The Naughty Bucket locks is in separate boxes. So I can actually quickly give a little look here. These are my Naughty Buckets. And the green box there, that is the Christmas bucket. So every time I have a lock, for example, I have some here, an Apis, for example, that have a nice shackle that is not cut, or at least not cut completely off, so we can still hang it on the tree, then they go into that bucket. It's only if it's something special that I really want to pick sooner than the Christmas series. So other than those special locks, all these cylinders and padlocks that are able to be put on the tree is going into the Christmas bucket. And after 3 years, if I haven't been able to open it and put it on the tree, it goes to the Naughty Bucket. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.